Hello and welcome to another Dash class video, where today we'll be creating our own hatching. We will do so by using the Revit plugin, and as you can see, I have already created two options, rhombus and wavy hatching. Let's create another hatch option, and apply it to this wall. In order to create a hatching template, we need a detail line, so press this button right here, and then I'll create circle hatching in 2 rows. Draw one semicircle, and then copy it with the Mirror Draw Axis tool. The copy checkbox on your left should already be filled out. Now draw another semicircle. And copy it as well. To do that, use the Mirror Draw Axis tool for the other side. Like this. And now, in order to create hatching, we need to select these lines. Then go to the Revit tab. And select the Make Pattern button. Here, you'll need to enter new pattern name. And you can also choose what kind of hatching it will be, detail or model. Let's go with the detail pattern. Now click on Create Pattern. You also need to select the extreme points of our drawn hatching. In this case, it's the upper right corner and the lower left corner. Next you'll see a notification saying that our hatching has been created or updated. Click OK. And now we need to create a material using this hatching. To do that, go to the Manage tab and click on Materials. And Create New Material. Let's call it Wallpaper Circle. Like this. And I'll choose a background fill. And here, in the foreground, we need to find our hatching in the list. Select it. And in this window of the material settings, we can also choose the color that we need. It doesn't really matter what color we used for the line when creating the hatching. In the material settings, we can change its color whenever we want. Click OK. Now we're done creating the material, so let's apply paint to the wall. This is how our hatching will look like. When creating hatching through Revit, you need to make a seamless pattern. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos on how to work in Revit.